How to get Mary Spruce Christmas Tree Shield Monopoly Go. So this is what it looks like, and in order to get this one, first you just have to simply log into Monopoly and then look for the album right here. So you have to tap album, and once you tap this album, you will see different here sets to complete. And to see that Mary Spruce, you just have to tap this Santa's Workshop here. So as you can see, you have to finish all of the stickers in order for you to, of course, attain or get this or complete to win the prizes above. So if you complete the set of stickers here, then you can win this 325 dice, 1.05 million Monopoly money, and this Mary Spruce Christmas tree shield. In order to get that, of course, you have to complete the stickers here. So how are you going to get the stickers or obtain the stickers? First, you just have to simply exit this and look for tournament. So by joining or participating in tournament, of course, you can get or there's a possibility that you can get stickers. So aside from joining tournament here, you can also achieve, get, or obtain stickers by doing this quick win. So you can collect Monopoly Go money at the same time you can also get stickers here. So another thing is that by just playing and if you land on spin the wheel, then there's also a big possibility that you can get stickers. Lastly, you can tap and ask a help in order for you to get the stickers. So as you can see, you can try your luck and ask around for help. If you have group of friends who are playing Monopoly Go, you can ask help from them to send you this sticker to complete this set and get this Mary Spruce. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.